Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make your Instagram account private. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you are signed in and have your profile page up, select the hamburger icon at the top right. Underneath where it says who can see your content, account privacy, go ahead and select that. And then if you want to make your account private, you can toggle this to the right, turning it on, meaning when your account is public, your profile and post can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. When your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos or hashtag location pages and your following and follower list. Certain info on your profile, like your profile image and username, is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. So toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. You want to make it private, you have to turn that on. So you just would click inside that oval until it's lit up blue, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.